Hello friends, welcome to New Roots Clinic, Dhaka. Today we have another topic. Many of your patients ask in the call when they come to the clinic, when they come for consultation, which is the main question. When we do the transplant, does it damage the existing hair? It's a common question, right sir? What do you think? When they come to the clinic, what is the question regarding their existing hair?
After transplant, it will be sustained or not?
Yes. So this is the most common question, and I think this was your question also, right?
Yeah, I think so, yeah.
Yes. So we will explain you regarding this question. What we do, we use the Sapphire technique. In Sapphire technique, we use very thin blades. So the thin blades, what it does, when it creates the slits arrangement, it doesn't damage your existing hair roots. It maintains the gap between the existing hair and newly transplanted hair. So it won't damage the blood circulation, it won't damage the lymphatic drainage, it won't damage the nerve supply, and still your existing hair will be growing as it was. And of course we have medicines, derma roller, PRP therapies, GFC therapies to take care of existing hair also. So sir, how many grafts were implanted in his case?
In day 1, there is 3,900 grafts, okay. And in day 2, 1,300 grafts.
Okay, in crown we have 1,300 and here we have 4,300 approx. Means near about more than 5,000 grafts we have implanted. We have implanted him more than 5,000 grafts to 5,500 in 2 days. That is by Sapphire technique. So this will definitely take care of your existing hair and newly transplanted hair. So let's understand the feelings of the patient, how he came to know about his clinic, from where he is, and what was his experience in the transplant. So it will help you just to understand your doubts.
Oh, well, I've been losing hair for the last 4 or 5 years, okay. And I've been quite concerned about it. And this year I was like, I had to do my hair transplant. I was looking between India and Turkey, and then came across this, New Roots Hair Clinic via Facebook, and then contacted the people here. They straight away they gave me some really good answers, and then I had a meeting with Mr. Apota here, and then we had a video chat. I had some questions. He assured me that if you come here, we'll look after you. You'll get a good result. So straight away I booked my ticket and flew from Australia to here. And today I had my hair transplant, and people over here are really, really good. Staffs are really friendly. If you ask them questions, they will answer you with a big smile. Not, they're not saying oh, why are you asking too many questions and stuff like that. So that's really good. I had a concern about my pain, which I spoke to Dr. Prota again, and he gave me some really good medication. And I'm expecting very good results, and hopefully some of my friends from Australia will be here soon.
Yes. So even if you are in Australia, don't worry. Our team, our doctors will be in contact with you. They will answer all your questions, what medications to take. We will call you for your head wash after 1 month of surgery, after 2 months, after 3 months, after 6 months, after 1 year. And just be connected with our staff so that you should know about the hair journey after 1 year. Do you really need DHT blockers or not? So we will be there to take care of your hair, so need not to worry. And it was a nice journey with you for your hair transplant. Hope soon, and hope all your family and friends and you yourself like your hair and you get $1 million of your smile.
Sure. I'm expecting that as well.
So keep watching this video. If you have any doubts, you can comment, consult, and call this number, and you can visit to the clinic. So take care. Bye-bye.